Hey guys, so I'm getting some questions on what bearings I'm using for my spinners. I can give you a quick answer. These are just normal 608 gate bearings on the outside, and what I use for the insides are my old Bones Red ceramic bearings. They are not cheap, well, they're pretty expensive for a few bearings, but I still had them for my freeboard and they were ideal for using them for these fidget spinners. So most of you think I use special bearings because you see me taking them apart or assembling them, so I'll be showing you how I disassemble them, clean them and reassemble them. So what I do is I take a paper towel, since these bearings are not coming out of the skateboard or my freeboard, they are pretty clean. So what you want to do is take out this nylon. So what you want to do is take out this nylon container ring, just press it out like so. That's out. Now move all the balls to one side and then the center ring pops out. Now make sure you don't lose these ceramic balls, they will jump around everywhere. So now that we got that apart, let's take a air swap, and I just use some alcohol and just wipe the inside clean. Take the dry side. There you go. Let's do the same for the little inner ring. There you go. Let's also clean this nylon ring a bit. It's still pretty clean. That should do it. And next for the ball bearings, since they are not, oh, there goes one. So since they're not dirty, what I do is just fold over this paper towel and I just rub them. And that should be enough to clean them. So next step is just reassembling them again. What I do use for that is the rubber seal. So place it on the back on the other side. Place the center ring in the middle. And now let's place those balls back one by one. And just turn it around so they are seated correct in the groove of both the inner and the outer ring. turn them around. Now just spread them evenly. And then you can take the nylon ring, make sure you have the cutouts for the balls correct, and just put it on there, wiggle a bit that the balls are correctly in place, and then just gently press it back in. And now we can take the ring out again. So yeah, that's the info on what bearings I'm using and how I take them apart and clean them and get them back spinning. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any other questions, leave them in the comments, and I will talk to you guys next time. Happy spinning!